I'm Paul Clarke, Wombourne Cricket, Tennis and Bowling Club Groundsman. This is my third season at the club. Previous to that, I was at Enville Cricket Club for 9 years, as well as being a full-time postman, running around doing a post round in the morning and then getting to Enville for about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and probably doing another 6-7 miles on top of my full-time job. When I was in my 20s, at the club I was playing, cricket club I was playing for at the time, there was a groundsman there, wanted a bit of help, so I offered to do my level 1 GMA course and my level 2, completed them, and it was just to help out really. Obviously 2012 I got voluntary redundancy from being a civil service, had enough of being in an office, so I got an opportunity to work at a cricket club, use those qualifications for 12 months, loved it, but obviously with a family at home I needed some work through the winter, and hence why I ended up at Royal Mail working as a full-time postman, and then ended up at one of my previous cricket clubs, Enville, supposedly helping out for 6 hours a week just doing the square, which never stayed at 6 hours a week, surprisingly. So yeah, 9 years there, and then fortunately this role came up 3 years ago, and I've been here ever since. Typical day here, I'd come in, switch the bowling greens, make sure that if anybody's getting in early to have a bowl on those, they're ready. I'd have a look at the tennis courts, make sure they're clean and tidy, and then I'd get on with brushing the square to make sure that there's any dew's been removed from that, and then I plan it from there depending on whether there's bowls matches on in the afternoon or in the evening, or what time the cricket's starting during that day. So over the next few weeks, I'm trying to do a few videos to help cricket groundsmen prepare wickets to a reasonable standard to produce good quality matches.